Martin Luther King Jr. said, freedom is never voluntarily given by the oppressor. It must be demanded by the oppressed. I am of the view, I am of a strong belief that it is high time we must tell our ZANU PF oppressors that your days in this oppressive game are numbered. And to the people of Zimbabwe, maybe I will not get another chance to talk to you again.
Yes.
You are never going to get freedom freely given to you by the ZANU PF leaders, the ZANU PF gangsters, the ZANU PF mafia, the ZANU PF hooligan system, the ZANU PF bloodthirsty cult. They are never going to give you the freedom that you want.
Yes.
It is high time every Zimbabwean stands up to demand their freedom.
Yes.
We demand our freedom as Zimbabweans. Even though I am a preacher, but I am a Zimbabwean citizen, I have a right to speak my mind.
Yes.
It is enshrined in the Constitution. I have freedom of speech. I have freedom of expression. What I don't like, I don't like. What is not right is not right.
Yes.
It doesn't matter how many people you are going to kill in this country. It is not going to change some of us. We are ready to die with our beliefs.
Yes.
We are ready to die with our principles.
Yes.
We are ready to die with our convictions.
Yes.
You are never going to take that away from me. I am ready to die. If I am going to die tomorrow, this ferret, bogus hooligan task force, if they catch up with me today or tomorrow, people of Zimbabwe, you should know that I am not going to give up on what is right. Zimbabwe has lost so many lives. Zimbabwe has had so much blood shed on the basis of people who stood up to say this is not right. You may have silenced the cowards, but I am not one of those cowards.
Yes.
And this mumwe magwara.
Mazimbabwe no vandagara na kuzani nyamwaka. Mugando uya ku Mozambique tuko ku Betan Sterek. Hamdziwe zvanu zvakuita imwe. Muri madzenga ogoga. Mweka hamuoni kuti muri kushupika. Hamuoni ba kuti muri kushupika. Munonamba muchiti munangakwa zanu muchirara na nzara na wakazwana na muzinyumba zanu. Basa kundo barana muchindowanda muchishupika. Kara makata watabvi wanu wa ku Mozambique wanashupika, wanu wa ku Mozambique mamosket. Nyamunsi munauya kubuda ku Zimbabwe kuya hoda matemba, mwana kutengeza matemba imwe. Izvo mwana za Zimbabwe kuna ma industry munalekana nyi kuisenza ikoko. Mudavaliranyi. Muri madzenga menze wana ku Zimbabwe. Ulendo uno ndikuoneni muya kuya hoda matemba kana mapeza kuvhotera munanga gwanu muya ku hoda matemba. Uona mjuvula ma industry anu kana mapeza kuvhota. Ui ndikakuona muya kusunza Mozambique da kubetani chaizvo. Mva matogale mazvidziwa izvozvo. Ise pano kuwanwa ku Mozambique tikandokubva uchitaura kuti munangagwa tikukuthamangisa letu. Abo muri wananyi mwe. Ikhali papa pana mphale wa mukutaura kuti abvichamisa. Ikhali papa pana mphale wa abvichamisa. Muona kuti anadza titini. Chinjali muliwo. Every day kuti jana terere idyani na nyama nyamzi. Madzenga awanu muvhotere munangagwa ndikubveni mari yabo apeza.